What's up, guys? Today we're learning The Sun by Tiger's Jaw. It's a great song. I'm playing on the electric today, but you can use your acoustic if you want. I'm going to go through the intro, the verse, the chorus, the solo part, and the outro, and everything you need to know to play this song and have a good time. So let's get into it. Okay, so the song starts with 2 chords, and then it goes into a solo intro riff thing. But these 2 chords we're going to play first are the A minor and a G. I put those up on the screen for y'all. They're pretty common chords, so I'm not going to talk through every finger. But I'm playing each of these for 4 down ups. So I'm going pretty quickly. You're just playing a couple strums on each one to jump into the solo intro thing. So that thing is just 1 finger formation slid up and down the fretboard. So this formation will start on the 4th fret on the your ring finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string, and your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. And you want your top finger up here to mute all of the strings but the one it's playing. So you want to hit the top string, you want to hit the 3rd string, you want to hit the 5th and the 6th. Mute them all. So you end up getting an octave right here. So you have 1 note and the same note 1 octave up, which sounds really cool on the solo. So it starts on this. I'm going to go through this whole thing pretty slow and call out the frets. And I'm going to use my top finger's fret position as the fret. So we start on 2 and we move straight to 3. So it's like. So we move to 2, we move to 3, then we slide down to 8, then we go up to 7, and then go back to 8, and then 5. So it's like. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So going from 5 to 7 to 5 to 3. So from the top. Then we go into a back to back to back on those 4 positions. All down strums. So you hang out up here, and then you go down to 8, 7, 5, and 3, or 8, 7, 5, 3. Yeah. After that, you go back to your 7. Do that one more time, so you saw. Then you go down to 8, 7, 5, back to 8. And you hold it. And then you jump into the intro chords and singing. I hope you got all that. Please excuse my sloppiness if there was any. So the intro chords and singing are your A minor from before, then a G, then an F. This F is fun. We have our 2 pinky and ring on the 2nd and 3rd strings on the 3rd fret, then our middle finger on the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and then our top finger is trying to bar all the strings on top. If you can't, just muting them works too. But you want to at least press down this top string to get that F bass note. So, here we go. So if you notice, my strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's what sounds good to me. Really, just getting the timing down is the most important part. So you can strum however you wish, but I think this sounds good. If you notice again, it's 1 strum pattern with the A, 1 strum pattern with the G, then 2 with the F. Cool. So he sings, pushing me away because you're pushing me away. And he does that 4 times. So A, G, F, A, G, F, A, G, F. Then on that 4th time, he just goes to the G, and then he switches to the verse. Pushing me away because you're pushing me away. And this is the verse, verse instrumental. This consists of the A minor from before and the F. You want to have a clean tone for the verse if you can. See if a pedal you can change, that's good. I'll switch real quick. And that's what the verse sounds like. The strumming pattern has changed once again. I'm going down, up, slapping it, then going up, down, up, slapping up, down, up, switch, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, switch. You see that switch is kind of in the middle of the strumming pattern, and he sings and he goes, it's early and bright out, sun swallowed me. He does the whole verse. And then he finishes his singing, but he still keeps playing that same thing for a while. The sun swallowed me. Ba-da-da-da-da. And then he hops into the chorus, which is dirty once again. And the chorus is an A minor and the F. Surprise, surprise. So he's going, what about your friends? What about your friends? Do they make you happy? What about your friends? What about your friends? Do they make you happy? So you're just repeating that. It's all down strums on the A minor chord. A minor chord. And then going back to the verse strumming pattern on the F. Just repeating that for the whole chorus. When he starts talking, or when he stops talking about his friends or your friends or whatever, he goes back to the verse strumming, but we're still in that dirty tone. For an interlude portion. In this part, one guitar is playing the verse strumming, and then the main singer goes into a solo, and I'm going to do that right now. Quick demonstration. I'm trying my best. It's not exact, but it's pretty good. So it's strumming. So yeah, it's all those notes. Some of the exact picking is a little different, but I'll go through really slow for you so you can get it, and I'll call out the frets. So we're starting on the 4th string, and we're sliding down from the 4th fret to the 5th fret. And then keep plugging the 5th, then going down to the 7th, to the 5th, so we're going ring, pointer, and then grabbing the 5th string on the 5th fret and pulling it all the way down to the 8th fret on the 5th string. Then going back to the 5th. Then hammering on the 5th string on the 6th fret. Back to the 4th string 5th fret. Then going to the 7th. Back to the 5th. Then going back to the 8th for a couple plugs. Oh, sorry. That note is your 6th string on the 5th fret. Back to the 5th fret on the 5th string. Grabbing the 6th, plucking it, going into the 5th. Going to the 3rd. Into the 3rd. Back to the 5th on the 4th string. They're going. So 4th, 5th, 4th, 2nd, off. Okay, so we made it through the solo. Now he does a couple more strums like the verse, no singing involved, before he says the sun swallows me. Then he jumps into the chorus once again. Chorus number 2. Same thing as chorus number 1, just twice as long. So he's talking about your friends 2 more times. After he finishes chorus number 2, he jumps straight into the outro, which I will demonstrate the transition and the outro for you real quick. What about your friends? What about your yourself down and get calm? The air in your chest beats the air that you're standing on. Yourself down and get calm. I never the girl that you found out is gone. I've never seen her, so she must be no one. Blah, 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 blah. I've never seen her. Then he jumps into the verse strumming for the end of the song. Okay, so what happened there? Right at the end of the chorus, he's talking about your friends. What about your... Instead of doing the verse strumming pattern, he just goes, speeds it up, and we jump into the outro. The outro is an A minor chord, G chord, F chord, like before, but then we go again and we switch from the F to a C. So it's 1 in A minor, 1 in G, 2 in F, 1 in A minor, 1 in G, 1 in F, 1 in C. Okay, and that's one go around. Let me put C up for you. You know C. Everyone knows C. And yeah, that's one go around. You do 4 of those, I think, around 4. And on the 4th one, though, you go from the G back into the verse. So you don't do the F and the C or the F. Just like you did in the intro when you're pushing me away. And then, yeah, he closes out with... And that's the end of the song. He just does that until cut. So yeah, that's the whole thing. I apologize if I was sloppy at all. If I added some value to your day, please consider dropping me a like. If you hate those mainstream guitar tutorialists, subscribe here. I got you with all your favorite underground songs. Please comment, tell me what you want done, because I will find it and do it for you. Okay, have a great day.